Hello and welcome to e-GMAT. We will solve question number 108 of OG Verbal 2nd edition by using e-GMAT 3-step process. In the first step, we will understand the meaning of the sentence. In the second, we will evaluate the errors in the sentence, and finally, we will review all the answer choices to get to the correct answer. So let's begin. Sound can travel through water for enormous distances, prevented from dissipating its acoustic energy as a result of boundaries in the ocean created by water layers of different temperatures and densities. Well, the way this sentence has been written, the intended logical meaning of the sentence is not communicated well at all. So let us first infer the intended meaning of the sentence. The sentence wants to say that sound can cover significant distance traveling through water. This becomes possible as sound's acoustic energy is prevented from diminishing because of the boundaries in the ocean created by water layers of different temperatures and densities. So the way this sentence has been written, we certainly have meaning error here. Let us evaluate the other errors by splitting this sentence into its clauses. Since this sentence has only one subject-verb pair, we have only one clause here. Sound is the subject and can travel is the verb. The verb ed modifier, prevented from dissipating its acoustic energy, seems to suggest that sound dissipates its own acoustic energy. But when it travels through oceans, boundaries created from water layers of different temperatures and densities prevent sound from doing so. This is illogical. We have modifier error here that also leads to the meaning error in the sentence. So let us run the POE to find out which answer choice corrects these errors. Well, choice A certainly does not, as we just discussed. Choice B is also incorrect because it repeats the same error as in choice A. Well, choice C is the correct answer. In this choice, the incorrect part of sentence prevented from has been converted into a modifier of the structure noun phrase plus noun modifier. Here the noun phrase is its acoustic energy. This modifier modifies the preceding clause, providing additional information about the action in the preceding clause. Essentially, this modifier answers the question, why can sound travel through water for enormous distances? And hence, it's the correct answer. Let's take a look at choice D now. Well, choice D is way too wordy and very imprecise in communicating the intended meaning of the sentence. That's what makes choice D incorrect. Let's take a look at choice E now. Well, here in this choice, verb ing modifier preventing its acoustic energy seems to present the result of the preceding clause, meaning that sound can cover huge distances when traveling through water by preventing its acoustic energy from dissipating. Now, we certainly have a modifier error here that leads to the distortion in the logical intended meaning of the sentence. Notice that this sentence is grammatically all right, but it is logically incorrect because it distorts the logical intended meaning of the sentence. So as we found out earlier, choice C is the correct answer for this sentence. Let's take a look at the takeaway message now. Modifiers must be worded correctly to convey the logical intended meaning of the sentence. The concepts tested in this sentence have been covered in e-GMAT concepts, level 1 significance of meaning, level 1 modifiers verb ing, and level 1 types of modifiers.